In this video, we're going to talk about how you can update the answers that your customers give on the thank you page survey into the Klaviyo profile of that particular customer so that you can run flows on this or use it for other marketing efforts as you require. So the first thing we need to do is go into Klaviyo, click on your store name over here, click on settings over here. And once you're in settings, you'll come to the API key. So you need to copy this public API key over here. And within our app, you go into integrations, configure, and enable this toggle over here, paste that API key over here and hit save. So that's the first step we need to do. We need to enable the integration between Klaviyo and Checkout Wizard. After that, we go into the survey block that we have created. So we configure the blocks and go into the survey block that we have created. We enable this toggle to enable Klaviyo integration. And depending on which question that you need to update on the Klaviyo profile, you can add the integration over there itself. So this is the date of birth key where I want to send a flow based on the birthday of the customer. So I'm creating an integration key called date of birth, and that will be coming here once the customer updates their date of birth after making the purchase. So you just give this integration key and you hit done and you click save. And once you've done that, you are essentially set up. So now once you come to the thank you page and you submit any survey, the fields that you have integrated will be now created within your Klaviyo profile. So if I just randomly give a birthday over here, email, and I'm just going to hit next. Thank you for their feedback. And now if I go to Tom's profile, you can see I don't have any custom properties right now. But if I now refresh the screen, I now have a date of birth profile over here. And I can now create flows on this custom property. There is how to build a birthday flow in the Klaviyo Help Center FAQ, and you can look at this to get set up. You can create the flow as you want. Hope this helps. Let me know if you need any help setting up. Happy to help you.